Yeah, brother. That's the sound of freedom right there, ladies and gentlemen.
I am just an icon living. Anybody that hate, I will strip them. Get it? If you didn't, well, I guess you gotta listen more. Listen, boy, Philly is a minotaur. Be smooth when I'm zeroed in, nigga. Truth is, I ain't feeling you niggas. No wolf ticket, that's where pump fear in these niggas. Lil internet niggas. King Philly is back in the stone. And I'll be damned if a dumb motherfucker try attacking my home. I much rather have a barrel to the back.
We'll just get another thing of paint next week. If you want any accessories painted, holla at your girl. Hit up Bucket Boys, set it up. It's Bertha.
Oh, I thought you were doing a thumbnail. Yeah. So we painted up the wheels. In the thumbnail, we'll put the before and after. It's just some quick shit. This is the other side. Is it easier to see with the light hitting it or
With the shadow. No hubbies on these ones.
Let's go show them the process.
There's the blue turd. Can't forget about blue.
Fastest piece of shit on the block though, and that's a fact.
Woo, that boy said the money running.
So what I did was tape off the Chevy symbol. And that's what it looks like before the tape comes off. And that's what it looks like when the tape comes off.
What's the technique? Dang, motherfucker.
Ooh. Fire.
Real men wear bow ties. Feel me?
That these niggas play better than all of these artists on any day. Better off getting a shovel, homie, and dig a grave. Fuck fame as long as a nigga getting paid. I'm good, I'm happy, Brody, I'm all with it. Never been a fake, I'm authentic. These niggas